Hi, guys, welcome back. This would be our lecture 6 in the oral surgery series. And some of the topics we will be covering today include medically compromised patients and how to deal with them, and what do you consider medically compromised when it comes to us as dentists. The bleeding issues, how you should tackle them when we're talking about extractions and stuff like that, diabetes, implants, and some of the contraindications to implants, and when you shouldn't be doing implants on patients like that. So let's get started. So let's start with bleeding issues. So these are some of the main major points which you should be knowing, which are highly tested in boards. And MOA stands for mechanism of action. So heparin's mechanism of action interferes with conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. Here, I have a diagram showing where it's going to be having an effect. So prothrombin